Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I wanted to do a string pull that was a little bit different. I'm using this as a canvas that I used before, and I primed it before with like off-white. So that's the strange color there. And this is just the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics mixed with Floetrol and water. And I just want a really thin layer of it on here just to kind of help me move my other paint around. And Floetrol is self-leveling, so I don't worry too much about being a bit uneven on this step. I just want to make sure I get full coverage. Just like with my insurance. Oh, should have been a comedian, huh? Okay, cool. So now I've got my strings and I've got my 6 rainbow colors here. I'm going to do red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then purple. And I'm going to dip my strings in here and I'm going to basically make kind of a rainbow bouquet here. This is going to take a bit just because it's the 6 strings and I have to dip them all. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. Okay, so there we go. Not a perfect execution. Unfortunately, they got a bit more squished at this end than at this end. And as you notice, I kind of pulled all the strings down here because I wanted to pull them all at one time. So here we go. This is the exciting big reveal. And either way, this will have been fun. Boom. Not too shabby. Came out better than I was expecting. So I don't know about you guys, but on the string pulls, I generally like to kind of get in here with a stick and add a little more interest. So maybe like add some kind of like leaves down here. Totally not required or anything. It's something that I like to do with mine. But there you go. I think that came out really cool. Let's go ahead and do a quick close-up. All right, so we'll start over here. We have the purple, came out gorgeous. Love that, especially with the white. You get the different colors in there. I tried to not have all the flowers kind of going in the same direction, but I think I semi-failed. I do like the orange too. I think that's really pretty. Over here to the red, kind of surprisingly didn't get more pink. And I like how some of them overlap. Like that blue overlaps the green and the yellow overlaps the orange, as it should be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.